Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Headway. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Headway. Maybe because you are a book enthusiast or somebody who loves reading books, so you want to create an account on it. Or there could be another reason. So whatever the reason could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you can create an account on Headway. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, just simply tap on the icon of the Headway app to open it. Once the app gets open, it will show you some of its things like it is the number one app and all thing about related to app. So you have to go through it, and after that you have to click on this option, get started. Just simply click on it, and after that it will ask you that how would you like to continue by your Apple ID, Google, Facebook, or any other email of your choice. So it's all up to you, whatever you choose, and it will take you to the next step. Once you have selected your email address, after that it will welcome you by this saying, and here you just have to simply click on this option, continue. Now you have to choose the options for your goals. So there are multiple options available. You can choose any one of these. Whatever you feel the best one you can choose. You can choose up to three options. So here you have to go through and read and then select. After that, just simply click on continue. After that, you have to choose your genres, like what kind of books and things you're interested in. So here are multiple options available. You can choose as much as you like. And after once you have selected the things, you just have to simply click on continue, which is at the bottom option. Once you tap on continue, you will get to the next page. There you will again get different options. So likewise, it will ask you different options. You just have to simply keep clicking on continue, and after that it will ask you like how much time you are ready to give to this app for reading. So it's all up to you. Whatever you think is the best time for you, you can choose that, and after that just simply click on continue. And after that you have to again go through all these options and choose whatever you think is the best one for you. Here you have to explain like when you're ready to have the best ideas, like which time of the day. So you can choose that and again click on continue. And likewise it will give you some other options as well. You may turn them on and turn them off. It's all up to you. And after that just simply click on continue to get to the next page. It will also ask you for some of the permissions, so you may allow it or may deny it. And after that it will ask you some of the questions. You may click on yes if you think the answer should be yes, and there is another option which is no. So if you think the no is better option, then you can go for the no. Then it will ask you for some of your recommended books. You may allow to any one of these, and if you think that you don't need these any one of these books, then you can skip any one of these. Now it's time to choose the genders, where the different options available. You can choose whatever your gender is, and after that you have to select your age. There are multiple age groups available. You have to go through, and again it will ask you some of the other questions. You just have to simply answer with yes or no. It's all up to you. Whatever you feel, you can go with that option. And once you answer all these things, your account will be ready. Now you can use it and can read books and can do whatever you wanted to do on this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create account on Headway. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.